I'm here at the Burnham Park. Grabe, sobrang pagod today. Hindi mo naman makikita ang Burnham Park, ang Rose Gardens. Tingnan. Yan. So pagod today, grabe. It's my morning walk. It's my morning walk with my... Good morning. It's my morning walk today. Guys. So pagod today. So pagod talaga. Grabe. So pagod. This is the Rose Garden, guys. Medyo tumila yung ulan today. Yung ulan biglang bibira na lang Ayan, yung naglalakad namang isa. So pagod today, grabe guys. This is the Rose Garden. Maganda dito kapag magki-Christmas at saka panagbenga. May mga event. Dahil maulan today talaga, grabe guys. Ano, so pagod today. So, makikita ang Baguio. There's a lot of kuyo. A lot of fish here. Yan o, daming kuyo. Daming nila, no? That's the koi, guys. That's the koi. So, pagi nga Baguio. Yes. Pag titinan mo lahat ng mga isda, wow. Ang daming koi. Wow. There's a lot of fish, guys. Soon to open na ang Burnham Lake sa September 1. Wow. Guys. That's the day of my life, walking at the Burnham Park. In the Rose Garden. That's the day of my life. Walang ganong nagbabike today kasi nga sobrang talagang lakas ng ulan. That's the day of my life, guys. God bless everyone. Right for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Wala lang. Enjoying my life. The park. Sa ibang lugar sobrang init, but here puro ulan. It's 6 days na continuous ang raining Yan. That's the day of my life, guys. Love you guys. Thank you.